Hey, I'm Jerry Hoffmann with SmartAss Products, and this is the SmartAss Fuel Mule, and I wanted to show you around it just a little bit. First off, before you use it, you're going to want to pull this pin out of the handle. That pin locks this handle upright. Normally, when you're traveling with it, you'll slide that pin in the handle and it keeps it from falling down. Before using it, make sure to pull it out, and then it's got a set of storage holes down here that it slides into so you don't lose it. That releases the handle. From there, you've got your key switch here, which has got 3 positions: drive, off, and pump. We're going to switch it over to drive for right now. I'm going to hold the brake. I don't know whether it's going to go forward or reverse. I'm going to hold the brake and barely touch the throttle, just barely. Okay, it's coming towards me. So now I know which way it's going. I can change direction by hitting this button and toggling reverse. And it's that simple. You come to a stop, you hit the button, you hit your throttle again and go the opposite direction. This here is the e-stop. That is there so that if you were to be operating it and you ran into something or you had some other reason you wanted to cut power to everything on the unit, you hit this button. But its position actually makes that where if you do bump into something, it'll hit it for you. To reset it, you just twist it gently and you'll feel it pop out. The hydraulic disc brakes operate with this lever just like a bicycle or motorcycle. And to activate the parking brake, you're going to squeeze that lever firmly and just push this button down. That's it. It's activated. To deactivate it, you're going to squeeze the lever again and pull this tab back, and that will deactivate the parking brake. We're going to talk a little bit about the pump. So to pump fuel, you're going to switch past the off position over to the pump position. And note, this unit will not drive when it's in pump mode and it will not pump when it's in drive mode. So I've turned it over to pump position. I'm going to remove the nozzle, and you're going to put it in an airplane probably. And then you're going to activate your fuel pump. When you're done, the auto stop nozzle will cut off automatically when the fuel gets past the first 17 millimeters of the nozzle tip. Just like when you're filling your car at the gas station. You'll see we've got a water absorbing fuel filter here that's designed for avgas or gasolines, and we've got an electric flow meter here that will track your lifetime fuel usage with this unit, as well as your individual trip usage. You can reset it after each use. This side underneath, you'll see the charging port. That's a 3-pin plug that just plugs in, and I'll tell you how to do it by feel since you can't see it under there. It's under there so it won't get fuel spilled on it. When you're plugging the charging port in, there's a little screw. You'll feel the little nub on the top of it. Hold that at 12 o'clock while you plug it in, and it'll line up. You don't have to climb under there. When you're ready to remove it after it's charged, there's a little tab here. You're just going to push it in with your thumb and then pull the cord out. You'll notice there's also a circuit breaker for the fuel pump and for the drive system here. You'll probably never need it, but they're there if you do. And the last thing that we have not talked about yet on the aviation models is this bonding reel, which is a 20-foot long retractable reel that allows you to ground your SmartAss Fuel Mule to your aircraft while you're fueling to eliminate any risk of static discharge. Thank you for checking out the SmartAss Fuel Mule, and remember, don't be a dumb donkey, be a smart ass, and go pick yours up at Pilot John today.